na kwasia we odi tafofo animo tafofo ene etua taxes say yan hwehwe kwasia de to bini na onkofa mpuntuo mra no ofri kumase betena nkran ene ogu ajantrafo so hwe de ode ne mre eye yantinsim gawe yefra no Vincent Assafuah bija 6 weeks mamo manka bibia 6 weeks mesoma ba mama ndi me hene bija 6 weeks mamo ena me se mo mfa anye de mo betuma aye mudidi nkwasiasem e de ye wie saa wanka asem papa intima ba munja me na bija 6 weeks mamo mama ndi me hene na on hene kase maba now gawe yesi ono na ye tafo MP de bia ye ka kire Ghana fo ni bi entitru minu anoma santifo ni bi samudi party politics echi a dako budi ofui ene baba ye mu MP mumu bi tafofo mudi party ni de ye nana dia ye de asantifo ma ena samumu bi mudi saa de ne chi a dako obi ba ni ofui na mato aba ma saa ofui na ya ne no na afi mo hu se mato ama ofui bini me ka kire mu asantifo ni bi. When you allow such characters, this guy who could not verify this guy, na se motete tafo say ye MP nie ye MP nie ye MP nie mo betia ne say omo motwa mo ho ehia omo di ye impuntu aba na sa kwasia wei ne to bini sa jimini wei ekọ Vincent Assafuah jimini wei ne to bini mo de sa jimini wei motete ne ho ana ade a wo se eba mo ho se edien eye constituency ebe hwere kwasia wei the president of the republic John Dramani Mahama etu kwan enra. And the funny thing is akwentina president 2 year no wo enemy ntina president 2 kwan no okodi djuma ama Ghana for sene be ya yesika semon toto ye no sebio nanado danko ekufo ado kromfo no one MPP for omo be say man no ebe ko nanim abrofo no be saje ye dibiom omne adi edi nsawoso eni ntina John Mahama eja ne yere ne mma ho sebio okose okwa djuma ama mene wo enra John Dramani Mahama ye nyina yehu no ewo Ghana no patututu a okọ asori inasi asori ema eye yenuanom a sebio atoyenchem to omo a omo hwere omo nkwa ewo Christ the King asori ewo nkran ye nyina ehu president yehu no ehu ne yere enti president wie asori no ena sebio oye na adwene se obetu kwan na waye den obetu kwan na wakodi nsaboso ama Ghana sene be ya yeman we ebegina ne naso ade tia no patututu a tafofo MP Vincent Assafuah jimifo we he thinks say atro makache MPP for say the reason why enti am party no megu no 2028 kwata no atro na edi twabo fruma no party no from the beginning till today bibie ni wa ye no kura party no. And you see, in Kwara party, they have resulted to atro. You are a bunch of liars. Muna nanomi atro. You buso masia no mubuofu. Party ni seni ete no so no atro party. You buso masia no mubuofu. Enti obi owo MPP mbi adwene say odi atra and a party ni begina tum. And intina so washa over the years no the NPP as a political party no everything about them jandam. Yanka samungu obi hu fin yanka sa asem na yambejintum enti yanka so Mahama oba santimem no beka se yenti obi a Mahama nka sa ba yanka nto asantifo tirim enti nkwasiafo sebi na mo party no mu sua ena eni ommoja adane enti sia no ono so abedane kwasia ya sorry ya president ayina yehu na no patututu ewiemu president no etu kwan no Abrantie we esa beka kire say ono oye MP or access to every information. He can in fact place a call to the presidency. Yabefa. He can personally contact the president office, the secretary, Obefa, because he's a member of parliament. He can call the chief of staff. The chief of staff will respond to him. Onenebekasa. He can call the spokesperson of the presidency. He will speak to him. This guy has all these privileges. But then the bema abrantia which is all your politics are. So onimnyansa na nye Jimmy any nkurasesem. Any John ne beye and away Jimmy. What to make this young man who knows nothing, a criminal like this? What do you think, sir, will make him go out there and go put a fake news statement out? Thinking, say, obey to me, they say, President Nene Abano, Amani MPP na, a young kwasia for party number power. What will make him do that? Because party no fiti time omote ubusa omasia omusu wedi omatem. Because when you go deep down, omote party no forefathers no, when you go ask them about their history, they'll be angry. Almost so our politicians, when you go down and ask about their history, the party will be angry. And so these people have learned, and the only thing they do, they say, "Omo inner monkey, no, they be the inner monkey." Omo inner monkey, they say, so we question omo about who they are and what they have done. The only thing they can do is to tell you, say, "Hey, now what's the aim? Hey, whoa, yeah, we're in Pabonini." So they are always on the offensive. Inner monkey now, the inner monkey of the MPP are lies. It only comes out when they are exposed. Now, this is what happened. So, as a member of parliament, this is what he came to write. Because here, President Torkornoo, the government, the seat of government released a statement and told us where the president was going. So we all knew the president is going to Asia and specific countries are president. So an official statement had been put out. Here, Kwasia we ya man award ya de dansen e de man say e silver no dansen ya de alomia ye de share nsem say silver no kwasia we no patututu e na obetro because onim say the NPP as a political party no their inner monkey is lies. I say this private jet MBAEP left Accra this morning around 7 a.m. Around 7 a.m. Now President of the Republic of Ghana, John Mahama, now oyerepa, sorry. 7 a.m. Now President Mahama, afena was sorry oyerepa, sorry. And so Abrante will say, a born on some pepe and a plane way, MBAEP, a two Ghana. It is estimated to cost $15,000 per hour to rent this flight. Also, it's a plane, it to be a 1 hour be a $15,000. President Mahama da Ghana. President Mahama for oyerepa, sorry. And so Vincent Assafuah ne to bini. Wabano patututu abekache ni base no mo jimi no se Obama poko ase mano. Say President Mahama 7 o'clock or the plane call. Now plane no every hour be a $15,000. Don't worry. According to Troy, a simple calculation shows that the 7-hour journey already covered amounts to $105,000. Into so you see a crumple here. So see, I can say President Mahama nam wiem anapa 702 year into this 7 hours so kwemu oko into you see ano you chia $105,000. Akwasia we so a member of parliament. Adia odobetro to the page new. Okay. If the flight proceeds to Japan, which is likely to take about 12 hours, that will be another $180,000. Presidency releases statement. Omaka is the president or call Japan. In his statement, or say President Mahama plane no air call Japan. Private jet na Mahama rent Time na otro na Mahama or Ghana. Na Mahama oyerepa, sorry. Na Mahama nyem free Ghana. Na obiampo nim plane na Mahama befo akọ Ghana. And so we didn't who plane no e was a plane krampo din kan akọ 7 hours. Na Mahama afa no wo the shoe. Afra na yere say yenkwa sorry. Now, Okodenima Kochoi say, remember, Mekacho said the presidency had already released a statement say, President Kwahinfa or Japan, no, I Singapore. Into where the statement now, or see plane number Japan. So plane now to also ako Singapore. Into Kodu Singapore so $105,000. Into statement now, presidency di buy no. What didn't Kaka say, President Mahama Eko Singapore, Ako Japan, or no one who plane number plane to an past 7. And a past 7 after Mahama, so that why Lodi, ye baba kwa sorry. Na kwasia we odi tafufu anymore. Tafufu any tia taxes say, yan share kwasia the 2 bini. Na onko fam puntum ran, wo free kumasa betan crying. And ogua jantra for so, share the ordinary eye. President left Ghana, enyumbre na President Mahama to Ghana, enyumbre, be 8 to Sadian, Dien 5 for Sadian. Akwa say President free Ghana 7 a.m. This is the MPP. Omu inner monkey ni atro. The inner monkey. And your inner piece, so the inner monkey of the MPP. Lies. Abuache. Now, I say finally, if the jet flies directly to Germany and then back to Accra, a total of about 20 hours return trip, that would add another $300,000. Inti, so Basocha say President Tukwain, or no, President Afu plane, a private jet, and or Singapore, or Sako Airday, or Sako Japan, Japan, and a president, Sako Germany, into Sky President best saying 300,000. Time what trust answer when you're not president to Ghana, not ya sorry them. Now John Mahama and the Yerity, sorry them, yeah, sorry. A year no over the weekend no. Now president, sorry them, oh yeah, sorry, album pie, ame wufo no. Na kwasia wei tafofo ato abase brand crying na ho na epo ho na nibie wo ho na ship si ko ho na kopempu ntobra kwasia wei atwi nanum yombo wo yusu no wo yusu no ton ana ne tutu atua wakotena nkran dia jantrafo echi chro kwasia sem na adwene se opeso ogu Mahama enim ase tafofo so to aba ma se kogu Mahama enim ase omo se ko nkran ho na epo ho na ship wo na plane kese si na ko pempu ntobra kwase na twa ponka ko tena nkran te jantrafo echi twa tro on social media. The president is in Ghana and all the information come out for the president free Ghana. Now here ocho sa de nwie no and a chief of staff Standogbe responded to sa de no because Standogbe no any MDC aban omo say MPP no mo inner monkey lies. So they will exhibit the inner monkey. So he had to quickly come out because somebody be will be Standogbe omo twa trafa no wache omo twa trafa Mahama wache. That is the NPP omo DNA no omo inner monkey no lies jandam. So Standogbe can say no, I'm not going to allow this filthy village raccoon to mislead his own constituents and Ghanaians. And Standogbe came out to explain to him, say, in Kwasi Adena Woye as a member of parliament, where Jimmy no, Adena Woye no, I also just a white Jimmy form where Jimmy, because M1 Ghana, a trona woody, Shianyansa no where Jimmy. So Standogbe actually responded to the foolish lies of Assafuah, Tafu MP. And what did Standogbe write? Standogbe say, this one here will also demand to be called honorable. Or say, say, Ofui say, your friend honorable or Ghana. Standogbe wejiri no. Brofo na wakana midjum. Or say, this one here will also demand to be called an honorable. Or say, sabi biwe, on kanokure, Jimmy Foya to Abama say, on fan punti umrefi, on mekanokure no, webe kase yen friend honorable, or say, chad in sum, ne wejiri no, say Jimmy Foya so, say yen friend honorable, no be you machro. Or say, even if you are not street smart, Standogbe say, Sebio, say street in this ground where Jimmy was sooner unim senior, ya pipa ya to, eto chinisha ya dronsa, and your friend street smart. So I'll be power to a kwanwa, we are also to ball him, now chimo dross, now to in tem na oko. Or see no crown to me nya, so I want to me power to and tonchinia. Where Jimmy Crown say no crown to me nya. They also when they say, it doesn't take that much brain work to avoid embarrassing yourself. Or see, where Jimmy Crown Assafuah, so I want to me power to and tonchinia. And the enya de krampo no at least I was say wa adwene ye adwuma ma hu se wote wotu binia ye mfa nche ye num na ye den ye totwene oso wa Jimmy kura no se sebio se ugya wo nan kura na se opepa wo to no ato acho oso hu se onyansa tumi kire o se opepa wo tu binia ye mfa nche ye num na wa Jimmy nti sa nyoma mienu no wonti ase ma Standogbe enjudwem ma ye Standogbe enjudwem o say the president was live on many TV networks between 10 a.m. and 12:45 p.m. attending the Thanksgiving Mass of Dr. Edward Obadumboama at the Christ the King Parish. Chief of Staff said, where Jimmy Kurano, you who present to TV so from Anopa 10:30 a.m. to area 12:45 p.m. Into where Jimmy Kurano or Papa or 2 would I was saying, I would say, Na say na president o TV so entire day na ko catch Ghana for say 7 a.m. president the plane be took Japan. Also we Jimmy kura no. Stand up we say sa Assafuah we Jimmy kura na opepa ne to di no. Eno kura mpo say bibi ba wa adwene mu hu say da bi. President no o TV so. Enti sanka me betra de we kura I was say me Jimmy kura no me dwene ho. Now stand up we ko nanim no o say did he take off in the supposed jet at 7 a.m. and flew back for the 10:30 a.m. mass? Stand up we say Assafuah Jimmy Fuwe. It's one we a member of parliament. I person from member of parliament. That's from honorable. So when Jimmy ya. So all people will turn us on fan show duma. It do beso say president. Sebio o tu kwan kwa broche 7 o'clock. Eko Japan. And about 10:30 no sa two planes aba e betena asori mu. O se we Jimmy. And he say a friend honorable. Team, are we good? I see we Jimmy. We are not supposed to call him honorable because Nyansa, a friend Nyansa, ya chichiri man only be otitine todo de shele num. Iti ube so chese president no 7 o'clock now 2 plane call Germany no and Japan no about 10 or saba better sorry them. Stand up we say we Jimmy and this a friend honorable. We is total you see I am Assafuah Assafuah oma na yet said yes sebio oma odi omanim e wotafo no sebio oma moto abama no obese I know person it is so Jimmy and so Jimmy. Stand no anymore say. I guess we have to ask his classmates how smart this guy was in his lower school days because assembly challenge room or say akwawe omo enu onu omo course or say ebusa omo say we time na so no oda ho to ne tu bini di ohun because the akwana ye ne de et say bodam ni yaw sebio wasa ahoro no ho or say de wa ye no or say busa ne classmate or no call primary JSS say akwa we time all primary JSS no tin to be ni ana because nyoma bi a o ye na enchire so or a member of parliament now ma mention there after Standogbe a man say response say oboa untumi gujo Mahama ni ma say nsema o kanyina nim no the response or the buy ni or say say me catch o say sa ankwasiafo we MPP fo we omodien omo ina monkey ne eya tro afi Standogbe eya dey expose no ne response ni or say nonsense your smart self couldn't tell you that the post did not mention your name, neither did it mention anyone's name. If not John Mahama, how can someone like you become deputy chief of staff? After your so post no post here, nemfa John Mahama ho. Nemfa say John Mahama the jet be to kwan. Nemfa Japan be ho. Na after the inner monkey neighbor adane personal attack is going on. He's going to attack the Standogbe. Into on say Standogbe chin no. After the inner monkey is coming out. Oh, right now, Standogbe or chief of staff. Ebe catch Ghana for say Obwa president 10 a.m. Not president was sorry them. The all can you name. Afe who say at chino. Ah, ne twa kese binitary the tono. Afe inner monkey neighbor. Into right now he has resorted to personal attacks because on per se Ghana for be who say we Jimmy na otetene toa odibini. Now the most interesting thing about this whole thing is. Osako radio so and the sabusa say asem na wo kan ye no ana wo twa ntrato president no so no sa asem na wo kan ye no na adenti na wo kan ye muntie na no asem kwasea we mu na mosem omde omoba power inwan we tie ina monkey no.
We are being told by government sources that indeed the 7 a.m. you gave, the president was in Ghana around 10 a.m. So how could that jet that you say left Ghana around 7 a.m.?
Why are you setting your own question and answer that? I am telling you that I'm not interested in the president. I'm interested in the president and the delegation because in their own statement, they made mention of the president traveling with a delegation. Why do you want to single out the president? Is it the case that the jet is meeting the president or if like some other people somewhere, that is what the president intentionally, probably, if what they are alleging is the case, use a commercial airline which we don't even know. Please, you have to take your time, else you will make a mistake.
So your focus is not entirely on the president, but his entourage and
the
which flight they are traveling.
And the entourage. The fact that if what they are saying is true, the president did not use the aircraft that I'm talking about, it does not mean that the president will not use it along his trip. So let's be careful.
You will say, yes, Missy. You see, a Jubilee House, Flagstaff House, I can say, in San Kenya, tro. Or see, oh, Dabi, one gets a seven more can Montiasia, and then President and American once a more. Yes, not only Pebi entourage, no, almost one American. We, a cropa Pebiama, consent the air to Tiano near Pamono. Kwasia will deep bini, we with Jimmy, Pianipo Man Award. See the kind of people, see the kind of things he cherishes. These are the people who are leading Minuanum as Santiform Waterful. Kwasiawe. Afei a friend no say be church mo so enye president na oka na asem na what say president nkofo bi tukwan nkofo no mom ho asem na oka. Kwasiawe, how truthful can this guy be to his constituents? How can this guy lead a constituency? Because they are to the team tafo the MPP dia enti besedako ofui bene na saa de na ofui ne no beto aba no someone start am some who questions amumu bi e wotafo kwasea we e be saa be di monim because what will make this guy exhibit his inner monkey if we say onim say we ntwa tra baby a ofri party na ofri mu no omo ngini tum and the inner monkey is lie. Osako City and Mubusa on the same question.
So I spoke to Honorable Felix Kwachu for so not long ago. He has said to me, one, the president traveled on Emirates. Two, there was no private jet involved in their travel. These are the things he has said. Do you have any contrary facts?
As you speak, I do not have any contrary facts, but has he been able to give you any
so if you don't have any contrary
evidence
facts,
to that fact?
If you don't have any contrary facts, it means then that you admit or you have to admit what they have said, unless you have...
No, unless they give me an evidence, because I'm saying that I have doubts.
But what other evidence? If I said to you that I'm sitting in
there
my
should
studio...
be evidence that indeed there should be
if I said to you that
have you seen the manifest?
I'm in my studio speaking to you now.
Have you seen the manifest?
But what's the need for that? I mean, they have said to
why?
You that
Because the government communications minister told you that they all traveled with Emirates.
Yeah, but you have to have a reason to. There's something called reasonable doubt. I have not seen the reasonable doubt you have created for which you'll be asking for passenger manifest.
Assuming I am wrong, what stops him, the one that we are paying, from giving us those information?
But should he keep responding and following up and giving information on anybody who has any doubt that is not reasonable? If the doubt is not reasonable, why waste your time on it?
Go and check the publication that was made on the 22nd September.
You see the kind of people you call honorable in Ghana. That is why Stan was questioning how this guy became an honorable member of parliament. 2023, I'm putting this on record, Mumusa Kwasiawe. 2023, 23rd of April, this guy, he flew on Emirates, Akwawi. Satan on your minister. 23rd of April 2023. He flew on Emirates Airlines. Sa flight no fire no. Na ni seat 7K. The seat number na 7K. Sika utia na $14,000. Me money dates. Na onye member of parliament, na onye minister. 23rd of April 2023. He flew on Emirates. Otia $14,000. No onye minister. The seat number na 7K. Mumbusa say, where did he get money to fund that trip? Kwasia. Ask him. You are questioning the president and his entourage. Me say on the 23rd of April 2023, Monko Emirates Airline record him na Mumbusa no na onya minister. He flew on Emirates, Emirates Airlines. Now the ticket number 7K. That was his ticket, his seat number. His seat number now is 7K. His seat number was 7K, first class. 7K. Otia $14,000. Satana dollar no 15. $1 was 15 Ghana. $1. One city. A dollar was 15 Ghana cedis. Sorry. $1 was 15 Ghana cedis. Me mau date no. Me we are not sure subsequent flights out of fire, not on your minister. Mumusa Kwasiawe say, where did he get that money? Arrogance. Now, unim the ever to wank why you jump. Whoa, Unim di anka ebeto unim accounts a ube mekia anka waya jom kwasia kurasi ni abankran ubedi MP onfa bibia nko okuro efie ubedi MP onfa bibia nko ofie kwasia obeka wanu atum na wabom paye ma impuntu asufie no odo kwasia tenkran de jantrafo echi beye bibetwa ntro 2023 mebekire subsequent flight awafo tickets awotua na mebusa so na wo pay yesen 2023 as a member of parliament now pay $14,000 23rd of April 2023 you were on Emirates now seat number S7K you flew $14,000 now when you're minister where did you get the money from kwasia maybe expose wo you be busa be unya osika air force flights no and enya one pay several of them you be you flight history aba ube chatro inko onye se wo chatra and MP before aba power kwasia mojin say you be mamu space e mamu say jimi mo se bia mo jimi mo ho etwetwa ntro to nkofo so that trip you made 23rd of May, not your official trip. You know that, right? It wasn't an official trip. You know that. I know where you went. I know what you went to do. Not your official trip. Where did you get the money? 23rd of April, same month, now salary is saying, oh, to ticket $14,000. Kwasia. Oh, and the ube ye de. Macho seat number. Macho dates. Macho amount of UTI. Maybe chow other flight of your official trip. Unya sika no wen wo audit bia beba wo so no ubenu ho wo ubenu ho say akaje se mumu bi mu agimi ya de mo be ya hanam ya de mo be set example na nkwasiafo no mo dwen so betuma twatro na mo fo mu adi no they will learn sense. I'll come back to you. O case ye nyan start here inti jandam no do not listen to the jandam newu John Dramani Mahama, the president, or joining commercial flights now the choir. As we speak, Ghana presidential jet no, and your papa, our France, almost repair. Are we in action? Until right now, we are contemplating. If Ubusami as a Ghanaian today, we need to sell that jet and get a better plane for the president. Because MPP for the person who John Mahama. person who MPP for person who become tribune no mukuya president no. So the president as a Ghanaian, concerned Ghanaian no, the president will need a new jet for the next 42 years. John Dramani Mahama flew on commercial flight. On a passengers ne train mukoye. Yes. Achichediana nebema 2 inches no. Ono crampo no pe plane na edian shower room kwasiafo manka bibia. Wo nana ya kunedu wenu tantantan se wase abuofunu ekufuado eti kronim etam akonwa sika mu no de nam Ghana ha na kwasi ampanyi di nechi se vice motena ho na mububu be sabro nsanda ko mutima na gigire bubu ogu kwasi ampanyi kwasi aba nana ekufuado otam akonwa si V8 almost $200,000 and water in so CV a see akonwa no ho e na nam Ghana ha twahia na mo kwase ati TV so na mubu be dey see there yesi bi ko bi na manka bi there ndem ka na ona me kokan kwase afo ekufo de be di 8 years na mo nyina mo tebe ene de monum kankan se monum mo ase mo ba be ka se ena asama esi no ena branche bi ba na fa e ma na wo fa di aboa umu court no me boa na ya akure du minu abema meso wafuno se a bini bag wafuno se bini bag mujimi na mudigu Peace FM hormo sana MPP fortie hwade bi omde ye ejakobna boni ejakobna ye ene de ejakobna se bibi koso enye yenjai the whole MPP and there is about ejakobna onya santini oyanwuneni and there is not about what ejakobna was talking about. It's not about the issues he was pointing to. It is now about MPP for Jacobna Santini. Now, there ya pawum. There ya Jacobna say me. I don't care about anybody at Peace FM. No. And a Peace FM munim nyansa. Anka girl ya no kwasia girl ya oti Maryland we use no win who fuin. Girl ya Mr. Trap biama no Maryland. Ekuya poki kwasia bai. Anka oda hoti ekroma bojantra mabutu yaneka. Mo Peter Kamuni Munyansa, Krasini Bawi. Unma dear Yawe Jacob Nasemum. Dear Yawomina say, on says since almost started a dear Jacob Natem, a cast onya Santini, a Jacob Naya Uneni, a Jacob Nakras or no. Me won't say Obia Trinity and our peace FM crap a release statement to defend the Jacobna. What to be? And as Antiphony be nominated radio, so much Jacobna. And ya chena say Onya Santini MPP Nyanwe in Kwasiafo Mawi. Oh, say and no a Jacobna and enya some no kind in a yomo. Ye busana say. Oh, say and ye nya peace FM for Emma, a omo na Emma Tinative said, no, we will defend our own nobby. Omomuya can for na chomo and say Jacob Nanya one of them. They have thrown him under the bus because MPP Kwasiafo we say and a Jacob na wakasama MPP abedun then ended the Onya Santini. A Jacob na oyeni ba a Jacob na not on fried rice. Yasene mame ya uneni inti NPP for estati attack Jacob na no. UTV any Peace FM as an entity no they have stayed away. Till date, have they released a statement to support Ejacobna? No, because Ejacobna onya Santini. Ya chena se. Eno na yame yama Ejacobna. Eno na yame ya ema Ejacobna. Me, I don't care about Ejacobna. I don't care about UTV. I don't care about Peace FM. But me tell you, I'm say, hey, Peace FM na ya Santifo radio no, and the ye Ejacobna man. And the omo Peace FM no, omo no mo chichi, he. So MPP4 and the AD Jacob Natem so Onya Santini a Peace FM for the Kokachile MPP4. Yeah. A yomom yajuma a Jacob de Jumuhono. Omono frɛ MPP for catch say Jacob no Onya Santini. So munimuna enim na say. And it's not to date. Peace FM as an entity, they have not been able to put out a statement to defend the Jacob na. Boneba no kan. En Kwasiafo so meku president no abechechim say e wo sem rani omudia wakaboni bi. No. But you see Peace FM Kwame Sefa kan ene Kwame despite Asantefo no sika Sefa kan de so no oya wonani Jimmy for Kwame despite na Asantefo no go Peace FM no almost stay back ene ye di na tem onya de hye me say Asantin kayo ombeku na to atwene e won say ende MPP are all on him dia na waye you see Jacob na say enkwasiafo no mo so beku president ye nchi omungum eno ano no enya about the kan no eye bebi ofri Inti Peace FM no. Sana na ya kuredu MPP4 no. Omu nyina hyeche no. Omu ka Jacob na ho nsema MPP4. We Onya Santini. De bia mo frɛ Jacob na yesa na frɛ no. Aha na ofiri we oya hunani. Inti so steady a Peace FM as an entity. Omu to me release a statement to do what? To protect Jacob na. Eni ye jaro no mo keka no. So Onya Santini. Dai. Onya Santini ba. Onya de hye. Inti papa no nkwa na efesi. Adentira se yaka oya hunani Kwasiafo ena Ghana fo meto ababa mo MPP fo mmoa inyiyimu tribal fools ma se toilet mu mmoa na ahunani ne tia na obeto ama MPP na tani ne tia na obeto ama MPP nzimani ne meto ma Kwasiafo na mo Ghana ya mo dia Kwasiafo ma bonyin se Ghana na sa na de chichire enti ena me ko TBB na omo third vice ni TV so ai omo de omo ni TV3 me say sala cow sala nantwie and yempe radio bi asem na won pe TV3 asem a if TV3 does not cover MPP is TV3 going to die? It's still going to run. When Jimmy internet a whole political party, you don't know how to even strategize. Into any TV3 won tokwa TV3 and cover MPP event. At the end of the day, say TV3 and cover MPP. There are so many things TV3 can cover. If NPP boycotts TV3, the TV3 as an entity, and I say media general, they're not going to lose a dime. Before you people realize, say leadership no mudi mo Jimmy no na party de gu. Hwe salaka we hwe nentwie we sala nentwie. Strong salaka. Owen. Where's the cow? Where's the salaka?
Yeah, NDC headquarters, no. Akaka kran kam PM TV3 microphone. Our NDC headquarters kura.
Oh, kwa NDC headquarters.
Yes, but I said don't catch on and catch me say. Alaja had your party headquarters. Let me catch I said don't catch say. Yeah. So Sadia young kasa engu Michael. No we na pa ma say oh Alaji you sraw. Adia NDC headquarters. Let me say yana TV3.
And you can say go micro kata when you and say
that be because of them, you see media me kasa. General Secretary, me a chairman are there.
I don't fa bonin che.
Me no. TV3 me for mu bonin cho mu antrembe ko we eku.
Hey, they are
TV3
no my
TV3. Mini TV3. There's no any business. Any TV3 MPP anyami wo MPP the entire MPP unless omu panyimfo no hu say bone omu ye na omu be pacha. Na yam panyimfo no omu tenase afi na omu na yetimi twa letter say oh any TV3 na say but say they say by that time they matter but currently TV3 with these evil plans ni diabolic mind omu dinam no we will not have any business with
but
TV3.
you also have there
MPP for antiphone share on here Teniabua. Wait, MPP for no me TV no come to Haguano. Tafodio Mujimi o san obeka kire mo ah. Omo de yenkwase adwuma na omo de ntafo ni bi na eye. MPP for ni share behind the scenes say Teniabua he bi okasa on tia santimpo. Ai, sanom ka kire no. Why say sala na ntwie. Yentie TV3 omo de omo ye de Jimmy. Kodu krom nsuo ni ho. Elo di nkwasiafo we 8 years. Ya insist ni krom. Ya anya bridge ni krom. Ya fansu anko ho. Anyway, who fees sala na ntwie elo di akire. TV3. Now TV3, what did they lose? They lose nothing if they don't cover you. Prima facie no onye. We are na sagoka prima facie case no. These are the inner monkeys. When they show their inner monkey, you get to know where they are from. A political party needs the media. A political party needs the media to send its message across. A media can be cruel towards a political party. It is up to the political party to be what? To be focused on what their message is. Unless that political party does not have a message. Into TV3 nka omunya modai. Na mo ankasa wo to wo salaka wo yakase kaade ekufu ado ye besin da obetumaka. No. Anya na oto private fashion chacha choge budget catch yakase kinkankra takra won tiase na wo yeto ani mu sign contract won tiase ita ade na TV3 ebe na TV3 tuma boa wo because wo salaka we yakase kire my police a kire say wo se NPP ba power ana wo ba power do ya untumi nka wan ko school untumi nka entiase ita ebe na TV3 for busa question what tiase wa wan ko school wa won te brofo wa untumi nchiro. Now, I didn't TV3 only one more problem because Obubusa won't say there's a problem with dialogue here. Omunti wasina also on Tiomasi. So what TV3 for Asia, you understand? Say you need to make you need to make your point. It's not about whether the TV likes you or not. It's your point you are making. Make your point. Put it across. Those listening are your target, not TV3 as an entity. So TV3 can, let me say, report on something you don't like. It is up to you as a party to go out there and correct it on that same TV3. But TV3 loses nothing. Jimmy. If a media house reports negatively about your party or your government, it is up to you. Anything that the government, they have PROs, they have spokespersons. Anything a party has communicators, you have to go to that TV and make your point and let people know, say, this news was actually put out on this platform. We are here to debunk that. So you send your best communicators to go on that same network and talk to the presenter and say, no, this was reported wrongly. Let me communicate to the people listening. Now, moya mwanti, mojin say it is a banter between a media house and a political party. Mo party negu, mo jibi. When the MPP boycotted Torkornoo, they were still going on Peace FM. It was the Torkornoo segment they did not go on, or the Torkornoo show. But every other political show on Peace FM, they were going there. So if they don't even like the show Torkornoo, they were able to send their message through other political programs on Peace FM. And that is a distinction you people don't know. Moi, Jimmy, your inner monkey is not allowing people to think. Moi, say nine. Moi, say nine. Ye bien moi. Jimmy, sir. The Ghanaian has grown. Ghana ni nyini. The Ghanaian needs answers. The Ghanaian is researching. The Ghanaian is asking questions. The Ghanaian doesn't have time for tribalism. They don't have time for emotional things, sentimental things. No. The Ghanaian wants to see. Mami Musa, a simple question. When was the last time you heard anybody talk about Doomso in Ghana? Consistency. The government has solved it. And it is solving it. When was the last time I said MPP be in a TV show called Doomso? Urefi, also and there also can you so udum na edum also aso. Busa how was it possible? Because there's a government in that is arranging things. It is a governance. You have to be consistent. You need to pick your priorities. And the inflation I've been saying from 57 at MPP Jano, and they were saying a consistency. In terms of the that is how government they solve the problems. They take their time. There's something we call scale of preference. They hear fata. So they are looking at the needs of the people. So the government is taking its time, looking at nyoma aya vital. Then you hear the here say or say the count the when was the last time you heard say you see senior high schools say no, it is because the government is prioritizing things. In Tendoko senior high school and see so you Ghana nina you can see say this government is delivering. Aban bia ni wiase a obetumi de 7 months ayekwan. Say aban bi catch us all the 7 months ayekwan a say aban no trofo. Say NDC aban catch us say why asphalt road bi wo Accra in Sawom den into Mombo na baso in 7 months or boa. Every government it will take its time to build a better road. For 8 years, you won't papa. Obeto chama say MPP aban for 8 years. Someone to my kwan. For 8 years, someone to my Kumasi Accra road. For 8 years, and you want 7 months, John Mahama to come and construct Kumasi Accra road. You need to sit and analyze. The country is being built by people who are intelligent. And it's over to say 7 months where Kumasi Sawum of Ankwa say it is because people who were supposed to do the job did not do the job. Who are we supposed to blame? A Kroben to acquire this 7 months, Aya Accra to Kumasi, this kind of road that what to be that? No. Inti Enya Jimina MP before Jimino and be changing the government's focus. This government is delivering. The government is delivering. They see the difference. They see the difference. The difference. And the doomso, any hobium, and the school feeding, and the teacher training college. What is my demonstration? Be some sick bimbaye. I can train them. And the first year students are school. First year won't fees. And over 10,000, they are all there. This is a government that is building. But in Assafuah wants to create an impression, say, Ghana not say that be every single person in Ghana will be in the abine yamano. And intina, omuye post and now because Ghana nini Jimmy BMO. Yam find am nyom enchechere Ghana. Dan asamoa ne to sa confirm na Ghana. Jimmy kan kwasi asem. And Kweku Otin, you see Kweku Otin, wa ma ho kwan na omde the radio ni din kwasi asem wo Ghana. I'll come there. And kwasi ampen bi a wan call school bi a wo use no kwasi bi aso yesofo. No mde the radio so. Now Kweku Otin ejai ni radio no omde di san kwasi asem. I'll come there. Masala na me jai sa issue na to. I'm looking for one information in second year. I will come there. Na kwasi bia one co school refraf nipa font and time bia omo use omo ko use to omo ton krasi for boys bi, then they are putting fear in the system. Kwasi afo bia na Kweku Otin at the platform na ama omo no di jimi omo, and ohwe they are from one particular place in this country. Omo nyina fra santimemu. San kwasi afo ni nyina fra santimemu. San kwasi afo ni nyina fra santimemu. Because a business, because that is how they become a nipa, because a juma, because obviously Ghana for Jimmy, because they think they can use their filthy mind to lie to people, so they just create this nonsense. But we will come to that matter at the right time. We will deal with that matter. So Jinem.
Simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as President of a panel of the Supreme Court has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. And the only answer one can give to all the hand-waving is the legal answer, unless we want something else.
Torkornoo's movie will end this week. this woman is becoming a disease. This woman at this point feels too entitled. Now, the NPP, this woman has no respect for our constitution, our president, and the laws that govern this nation. She has no respect. Right now, no, she thinks to say she can domestically, internationally, embarrass this nation. This woman needs to fucking leave. And the resource we are wasting on this committee to look into this woman's matter, we are wasting too much money on a single person. This thing must end this week. This Torkornoo hearing, it must end this week. The nonsense is too much. Cut it short. Because without Torkornoo, our judicial system can still run. Torkornoo is not the only judge in Ghana who is supposed to be the Chief Justice. No. Into this drama and this foolishness, this nonsense of this woman dilly-dallying and acting as if say we have never seen her type of judge in Ghana before, that nonsense should end. This week, it must end. This week, the Torkornoo nonsense must end. The committee needs to close its books. We have better things to do with our money. We cannot be spending time on a woman who feels too entitled, who wants to disgrace this nation, who does not respect the constitution. Opportunity kakra. This nonsense of Torkornoo movie must fucking end now. We are tired. We can't spend all our money on one woman who is petty, disrespectful. Think say she can use some fool somewhere in some other island to come and disrespect our constitution. The UK is a fucking island. It cannot dictate for Ghana. And I'm going to say this again. The United Kingdom is a fucking island. And they cannot decide for Ghana as a nation. They can't. So, near to Kromha. And yet say, UK Bar Council. What the fuck is UK Bar Council? Who are they? They have written to our president that Omo instructing a president to say, a disease of a judge like Torkornoo, we should reinstate her. Now that UK no motisono. Sa e hono mo from say UK. Omo ye lawyers okuru no. Sa e kuru no, sa island no motisono. And the papa ben wo UK e chen Ghana. E dia pa na wo UK e chen Ghana. Dia na wo sa island no so. And the papa ben pa na wo sa island no so. UK is a fucking island. E dia pa na UK wa Ghana ni bi. Betuma ka nyoma be America wa Ghana ni bi. But a dear partners are island in a war. They can sit there and write such a despicable, stupid, irrelevant letter to our president that this disease of a judge who has gone against the constitution and against the code of conduct of a Juma Edemano, and we are making sure the constitution does its job. No? Some group of fools say, we are lawyers with UK. They are instructing our president, the cheek of it, the foolishness attached to this kind of letters they write to us, that we should listen to them. And I'm asking, who the fuck are those people? Those slaves in the UK. Those slaves who have been to UK and think they are lawyers. Those slaves. And they want it to look like we in Ghana, we have to lick their stinking asses in the UK. What do they have in the UK that we don't have in Ghana? A damn pound in UK. Yenibi or Ghana. Some selfish, milky ass idiot be or UK say, he or she is instructing a group of lawyers. Now you bet me Ghana, my Ghana Bar Association, actual letter come at the Queen and now the Prime Minister say on taking decision. We are instructing them. Are you people foolish? Do you respect our constitution and our president? Do you people respect the constitution of Ghana and the president? And I don't blame you people. I blame the foolish slaves that you have amongst you, calling themselves Ghanaians who have their law certification in the UK. Those slaves, those stupid slaves you have amongst you, who don't even know where they are from. They don't want to be associated with what they are from. And they wouldn't even support that letter you wrote to their president in Ghana. I don't blame you, those white guys in the UK, writing this despicable letter. I blame the slaves you have given some white-collar job to. The slaves like Gabi Ochedako, Sheloyoko Botre, and the foolish MPP group, no. I blame the slaves. Because those slaves now, if those slaves are intelligent, and Kombe will say, that thing they were behind, it is basically to respect the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. As we speak today, who is sacking Torkornoo? Torkornoo is facing the Constitution. Torkornoo is not facing the president. Ghana is a sovereign state. Torkornoo is not facing any judge. Torkornoo is not facing Torkornoo is facing the Constitution. What the Constitution says is what Torkornoo is facing. The President of the Republic of Ghana. Mutina UK, you people sat in UK to draft that stupid letter. You were not able, as lawyers as you people claim you are, you people were not able to point to one infraction or one thing the president or Ghana as a nation, our constitution has done that goes against Torkornoo. This petty, ridiculous disease of a judge. Anything, you could not state one. And you want us to listen to your broke asses. A country where you drink only tea and your teeth are yellow like popcorns. You want Ghana to get up and say, we hear, sir. That nonsense that we used to hear, we can't hear that thing again. Oh. That foolish thing in your head in the UK. You have gotten some slaves to help you people to be writing that stupid letter. We are not going to bow to your foolish UK statement. Oh. Bar association in the UK. Bar association, my foot. What do you people represent in the UK? A country where nothing is interesting. It's always gloomy. A wet, slimy country. It's always like dog. It smells like wet dog. A country where there's no life. You sit there and you write a despicable letter to a country where we have different seasons. You can put corn anywhere on that land for it to grow. You live in a freezer. You have gotten some slaves to foolishly tell you to write a letter to my president, our president, to come and intimidate Ghana. More bottom. You people are stupid, eh? You people are crazy. You people are stupid. Do you respect the people of Ghana? Do you people respect the people of Ghana? We were expecting people to quote the infractions. We were expecting people to quote something to prove that the president and the Republic of Ghana, we have gone against the Constitution. You write some stupid grammar. You people drink some dirty tea with your yellow teeth. Sitting there in that cold, freezy, wet dog kind of climate. You want to dictate for Ghana. Despicable people. Dictate for your country. The country sitting there, you don't have a president. The prime minister is a duck, a lame duck. You have a queen or a king. That is what you have to think about. We have a president who can take decisions, who is the commander-in-chief. You have a prime minister who cannot do anything. He cannot even lead chicken to war. You want to write letters to Ghana. Our president can lead us to war. He can make a decision. We will all sleep. The prime minister cannot do that in the UK. He cannot even lead ducks to a war in Ireland. Lame people. You sit there and you write the UK bar. Who cares about the UK bar? Huh? We don't want to hear this nonsense again. This disrespect must end. This foolishness must end. This woman, she does not own Ghana. She came to work. She's a civil servant. She's going through the process. Torkornoo is a civil servant. She is nobody. She is a civil servant. She's a normal Ghanaian who was given a job by the Constitution. Today, she's going through a process. If you people don't care, or if you people, the nonsense you people are doing and writing this nonsense to Ghana, stop that nonsense and let's move on. Enkwasiafo bi na mobile na munya ebu omo Ghana o. Amanfo bi na mo ni brade. Ana mtentanten mo gudie ma mo. Ye ne ni atio, ye ne abafoforo ne ni atio. Ye nya nkwasiafo sa o. Ya adwene mu da ho. Ye nananom bi na mo agimi na mo ba na mo sesa sanyoma ma mo na mo ba adwene se ye nyina ye gimi. Ye nyina ye ngimi yo. We are going to question you people. Samu that kind na wo de mo nkwasa sama ko mo so. Ba ye ne ya kan de ya adwene mu da ho. Ye ne ya kan ya adwene mu da ho. Omo betumi sa agimi na yo mo fanya omo. Na ye ne ya kan ya adwene mu da ho. Enti munya that idea. We the rest, we are not foolish. Those who were able to manipulate, take their gold and all that, you can manipulate. But we, the rest, the nation, we are not stupid. So if you people think you still have control over Ghana, then shit in your asses. You don't have any control. This woman needs to go through the process. This week, this nonsense will end. It must end. This week, this nonsense must end. We need to move forward as a nation. It's 6:46 p.m. It's exactly 10:46 in Ghana. Story where very important. I also may share with Ghanaians. Go about 15 minutes to end. More bother more UK own. Gabi and Kwasi Afonam Google UK or say lawyers, slave lawyers in the UK. You this slave, you shall you did not have any degree. Last hour, and I executive masters be and so compare Commonwealth nonsense. You shall oyokoboche. You don't you only say a name senia unya certification. Kwasi asem na modete Ghana ho. Amudim kwasi asem. Gabi we konfo we makwa yeso akochocho letter. Intinanka ye wu ya na nyina ho afọ. You say hey UK for say yenye say. Na wanga sa mo ekrona mutim no mutumi dua body akradi. Such a despicable nation. Bibia nim. Momo bodam. Now, Ghana Education Service opens applications for teacher promotions to senior ranks. Mama teacher for more senior rank. You say and the Ghana Education Service almost be application. Be promotions. Now, already a year publication na the buyer na any making kind of jump send a bear obi mecha watro say ni say Vincent Assafuah kwasiampanyino onam Ghana on kind of cre or ka sebia or so sabuso mubium. Team, you have something for me? Kwasiasa na muditi UK o yati krom ha na mo ekufuado mo san kwasiafo ya na etia. We were here the same way you are making UK Bar Association or nonsense write letters to Ghana. We were here when Ekufuado told some people to go to UK and use the black book in the UK to come and judge a presidential election case in the Supreme Court. Black book dictionary. How can we as a nation? It is only under Ekufuado and Kwasi Afuah. And I'm just here with you. Near to Ghana. You these slaves who think you can go and lick the butt of these British. We were in Ghana. You went all the way to the UK and picked a dictionary, a black book dictionary. You based your judgment on a black book from the UK. They are the same people, and they're more to UK cholet more bottom. But you can't even plant yam, cocoa yam. You can't plant cocoa yam on your land. You can't even grow corn in the UK. You want to dictate for Ghana? You people are crazy, eh? Huh? Mo teteno na double doors che nipa o UK ho. E buro kura mo de to from enyini. Wo be so decide ma Ghana, o bodam. Are you people crazy? Masa. Now let's read the Ghana Education Service for Omeleta no. And this is what they are saying. Mami jujum. Oyeletana etripono say promotion of the teaching staff of the rank of deputy director, assistant director 2, and principal superintendent. Now, applications are invited from suitable qualified 7 teachers or officers for consideration for promotion to the rank of deputy director, assistant director 1, assistant director 2, and principal superintendent. Ghana Education Service or be application no wow you say qualify to be a deputy director, assistant director 1, assistant director 2, and a principal superintendent no, and the Ghana Education Service or the akonya abeto say wow we a teacher we say where adwuma no watch rank no wasra obetumi a contest and I say I apply for these kind of positions, and the omo be ekwemu ema wow person apply biano for application too because almost started some person promote to teacher for impenifua almost some be directors, assistant director 2, and the principal superintendent and the Ghana Education Service say akonya na beda ho into who say o qualifier. This is the time for you to do what? To put in your application. Now qualification is simple. deputy director, an applicant should have been promoted to the rank of assistant director, 1, in or before 2020, and should have been continuously at post since date. Into almost say mo say mo deputy directors no, or say o make sure say promotion no or say promote 2 before 2020 and sana wait to me apply for deputy director no into omode eye obia ne eye position a open no eye qualification na odi betum no ani nyina omode aba assistant director 1 so an applicant should have been promoted to the rank of assistant director 2 in order before 2020 and should have been continuously at post have been continuously at post since date, except the period of approved leave of absence. Inti Osha ni nyina ho, but the baseline ni nyina say Ghana Education Services say when it comes to deputy director, assistant director 1, assistant director 2, any principal superintendent no, omo bie akwenya inti we teacher ni penyini na say opese who apply for these positions senior rank positions na and omo dia family so say minchirechirem enchiramo na munyina mo apply na wa o se o qualify near this adwumade ni ma no ye this adwumade no ama we every Ghana Education Service into eno na me pese Ghana for ye achechirefo a mo pese sebio bukomonim e wo dwumade mu no mo so mo hye ne nso dwumade no ende ye dwudwom ama Ghana for ehu no kure no ochina me ginam ye na watchi de yegirem ye be cheche nsemu de ekode de eba the president of the republic John Dramani Mahama wutu kwan de be koso abrochire bia nkuntade obedi nkitanwo obedi ene se ne dwumade ni konyina ye de update nyina bebre mu de ekoso Ghana so asebio wonte asebio akronfo ene atrofo di nkwase asemo social media sebio omodada mo no maba me be cheche nyina mu adwudwum ama Ghana fo ehu no kure no aha ene e ka no kure e kire Ghana yaba no yaba se ye betenetene nyoma yebema Ghana no ejina ne naso yede no kure trodo ena yebeka kyerɛw yebetena ha ne yekasa de bia ka kyerɛw ye kan wi a sa kwa ekyire ne kɔhwehwem ne hu sɛ de aka kyerɛw no no kure ana no kure krogen enti ɛwɔ sɛ obia ɛte ase sɛ Ghana na ye kyekyere no no kure nkwa na betumi akyekyere MPP as a political party na mmoa no dɔs kyɛn nipa no ɔmo ina monki no ɛyɛ atwerɛ ade a de wo ɔmo no ɔmo su anase eye de omo emwa ho a ewo omumu no omo ina monkey no sebio de atro omo di atro e matro ye de mentie MPP the next 42 years no senior oman we ko no se nyina ma ani da ho na se ye di no kure na ye boa NDC aban na sebio ye de yakoma pa e boa de ekoso na Ghana be ye oman a ye nyina ye pese yetinem MPP nim nyansa omo nim nyansa ni bia obetumi di omonim party na wo ho no mpanifo nim party na wo no enkora na Jimmy Champion no party na wo no eye ekuo ana ebusua bi dia. The MPP wasn't formed because of Ghana. It wasn't formed because of all of us. It was formed because of a tribe, and that tribe is the Ashanti tribe. NPP yet no mensia ba fo akoto na titi ni boromum 700 pounds and on the tea eye ebusua bi ajapade. Sa no kure we enyo bia na tumi ka kire mo. Enti me kan na me ho ayehi. MPP no eye asantefo dia Bafo akoto na titi ni mawrem ena odete party no eye busuan bi agapade enye Ghana fo nyina dia eni ntina MPP no de bia no omo ba ban mu a na omunya tumi a omo si yenya tumi de ye de kochia menhia omo fa nkochia bono hene omo fa nkochia awona hene omo fa nko eye de enzema hene ho omo fa nko gamanche ho omo de ko menhia efise eho de te party no efise eye kuo bi ebusuan bi dia enti eni se wa adwene ya wo se party no eye Ghana for party eye ebusia kuo bi party eye japade moma ye nyina nka ehumbom ne yamwa party a edwene ye ho party a eye wo ene minti ne eteye Social Democratic Party a JJ Rawlings gina nipa de Ghana fo a ahoyehia beda omo so ahokyere da omo so omo pe sebio se oman ebetumi abo omo enso omo di yie me tailor fo mason fo hairdressers Ghana fo a sebio yetwa omo gya no eno na JJ Rawlings gina so to ete party ni se yenso ye benya ho fa hodie se na be ya eye ohia buburo no ye nipa dodo omo Ghana no omo firi ohia buburo no eni se JJ Rawlings e de electrification program ba ya ye de nkane ko Ghana bibia eni tina NDC the FQ ba ya ye di schools every kg e ba soro e make sure say Ghana for nkwara bebre enya school ko eni ntina eye NDC aban e ba ye e make sure say eye Ghana schools pon eye universities no omo see dodo eni ntina NDC e ba ye omo see free senior high school e-blocks no dodo because no mu person mu bie manum eni ntina NDC e ba ye nyinam nkane akwa menkroma eye akofo beto ya osebio obaye yi a wantumi anya bia nka ho a John Mahama ne NDC ba ye omo di car power ebe bie eye de yenyem nkane mu a omoma kane asem egina ne naso ene gina NDC ba ye omobe bie enwuma nti ende uhwa se ototo MPP ni MP NDC a ubusa se party mienu wei wan mo na create employment ye ka se obi create employment a de wa ye ama nipa anya adwuma ye se ubie eye hospital a we bie adwuma we create employment se sebio ubie eye factory a we bie adwuma we create employment nti there are so many ways of creating employment ubusa MPP wo se adwuma ben na mo create a omso ye na ye hene ubusam se adwuma ben na mo ya omso onkai dankwa buzia dombo ubusam se dey school na mo siama Ghana mo so ye de se e ba ye no ye na ye akrachefo ubusam se a dey company na mo sia Ghana for etumi kom on se ye de e ba ye no a property owning company na ye nya Canada Japan ye sika yesu benye sika ba omia na yiri wie sika yesu benye bi omuntumi nka ade a omaye e de ama Ghana NDC akire mo over the years no so the NPP ni NDC etun sini ni a utumi se NDC for no aye bia ma Ghana omo da ho ya ma Ghana and omo be yeso ama Ghana and Ghana na yete no about 70% of the project awo Ghana ekoso no NDC and ejina mu nem aye moma yama NDC ntoaso yambo omo chidom omo mistakes omo political party nipa wom ebia so edin but eno nkire se e wo se yekofa akromfo ewifo atrenchie ene sei adadafo sebio ina monkeys for my bedi so now afi 8 years atwami ya de tumi e ma sankofo we yehu jimi a omujimi ye ya tam tumi ma MPP for 8 years yehu jimi a omujimi ye emu nkwara jimi na emu mpenifo jimi emu mbrewa paivela na emu nkokora ejimi ye nim de omode tumi ye we should not give power back to these people ye ma omutumi no omuboni pan wotwetuo election keke ye ma omutumi no pensioner fo wuye DDEP yema omutumi no inflation ekodu 57 yema omutumi no omubo kabubro over 1 trillion yema omutumi no omutumi si one university omutumi si one hospital regional hospital omutumi anya ekwan Kumasi Accra omutumi anya yema omutumi no omutumi anso dumso ano we mu omagimi MPP ni munyansa eye kasa atro ene intitimu ene omope moma yamfa oman no enhye NDC nsa de omu ye and we refidum so if you John Mahama ni NDC toto nyoma and the nurse fo ni agi and the school fo ni agi and the sebio omo ho aka krampoko school a university a omo ntua fees we any aban papa we ni aban a ebeji Ghana no we ni aban a aye na adwun se ebebu adwuma e de Ghana gira na so John Dramani Mahama ni NDC agiatum and I was so agiatum yabebo omo dom yabetia omo yabetenetene omo ama Ghana no 42 years no yada hye NDC nsa midin e de camera ko be detail